it's a very modern example that connects really well to the point that I was making about Beyonce as well. And I think for a lot of us, we often see music as like a connection point, and as a way to fellowship with people and spirits, which it is. But I wanted to talk about using music as a tool for protection. Um, we can also trace this back to how drumming was used by our ancestors on the continent, and also when they came over to the Americas, which is why it was banned um, on plantations and things like that. Not only because the drums were a way of communicating without verbally speaking, but it was also a form of manipulating energy, um, and using those vibrational techniques like drumming, like singing, using the body as an instrument to change the frequency of themselves and the space around them. Making music has always been a form of conjure that can function to create protective energy around us. And it can also be sent to those that we love that may not be physically close to us, which is what they're talking about here, with Alice's mom using the song as a way to function as a protection spell for her child even after she died. Um, yeah, so there's a reason that one of the most popular chapters in the Bible that is used for protection is like Psalm 91. Psalms, if you know the etymology of the word, are songs. They were written to be sung, because it was known that there was power not just in the tongue, not just orating and speaking, but adding melody that makes your offering or your petition more desirable to the entities who are listening and can help you in spiritual realms. Um, so I do want to talk a little bit about sinners.